Welcome to Recipes. Today's recipe is slow cooker beef and broccoli. 2 pounds sirloin steak, or boneless beef chuck roast, sliced thin. 1 cup of beef broth. Half cup of low sodium soy sauce. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 4 garlic cloves, minced. 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. 4 tablespoons water. 1 head broccoli, cut into florets. White rice, cooked, for serving. In the insert of the crockpot, whisk together beef broth, soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and brown sugar. Place slices of beef into the liquid. Cover with lid and cook on low heat for 4 hours. After 4 hours, whisk together cornstarch and water in a small bowl. Pour into the crockpot, add the broccoli and gently stir to combine. Cover with lid and cook 30 minutes to cook broccoli and thicken the sauce. Serve with warm white rice. Now eat and enjoy. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified when a new recipe is released. Thanks for watching.